Hey guys, today we're going to be taking apart this Wii Remote and cleaning it, because the buttons just aren't working very well. As you can see, the 2 button is very dirty, and it's the one that was working the worst when I was playing. The rest of the Wii Remote is also very dirty, because it has never been cleaned before, so that'll have to get done too. Now, let's start to take it apart. Now that the batteries are out, I'm going to start unscrewing it all with a tri-wing bit. It doesn't matter if you mix up these screws, because they're all the same length. I like to keep them in a magnet tray so that they don't roll away or get lost. I'm having a very hard time getting it open because it's got almost 15 years of junk built up in it, and I don't really want to break the tabs, so I'm just being gentle. Now I've finally got it open, so I can start cleaning off the parts inside. To easily get the board out, you can just push on the B button like I did, and it should fall right out. The board looks fairly clean, so it shouldn't need too much attention. But I will be cleaning the contacts, because I think that would make a big improvement. So now I'm going to dip a Q-tip in the rubbing alcohol and use that to clean the contacts on the board. Now, I'm going to be moving on to cleaning the rest of the Wii Remote, and as you can see, the 1 and 2 buttons are still stuck in there because they're so dirty. For cleaning, I'm using an electric toothbrush, because I think it works a lot better than a regular toothbrush for knocking out the debris. Now, the Wii Remote is looking a lot better, so I'm going to start cleaning the buttons and reassembling. Now, let's see if it works. And it still lights up, so that's a good sign. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed.